Cartersville, Texas, founded in 1866 by Judge W. F. Carter, Henry C. Varney, and Thomas Parkinson. Cartersville was a thriving community for many years. At its height, the town boasted two main thoroughfares, Main Street and College Avenue. Local businesses included stores, a blacksmith shop, corn mill, a flour mill, and a cotton gin. A post office opened in 1867, and the town also included homes, a school, and two churches. The name of the town was changed to Carter in 1888. By the early 1900s, the town began to decline, and little now remains of the community. Unfortunately, in 2001, due to arson, the church was burnt down. The tabernacle survived. This is all that's left.